If I'm not wrong, we're just 2 points away, maybe 1 point away from the...
Stay back.
I think it's done.
Stay back.
Done.
Done. Ghanti bajao.
All-time high.
All right, all-time high, guys. All-time high. It's a brand new all-time high. I mean, it's like a... so the importance of this all-time high, I think, is crucial because it's come at a time when nobody expected it. I mean, everyone had thought that we peaked out for the year. We had this touch and go moment with 20,000 several times, 19,800. So you had a new all-time high. The ring of it, I always love it. You know, the ring of an all-time high on the index, on the Nifty, which in a sense has been the bugbear for the market. I think it's incredible. Nothing is more, I mean, the whole feel-good factor always comes back when you have the index per se really leading it from the front. I mean, you know, in a cricket match, of course, you want the tailenders to also contribute. But when your top batsmen, they are in form, it's always a special feeling. So when Nifty and when some of the heavyweights are really leading it from the front, it is just a great feeling. Now it's incredible that today we may be talking about an all-time high on the Nifty, but for the year per se, it's not been like a great year. I mean, the year certainly belongs to small and mid-cap stocks, and global markets actually, including US market, where all the concerns around recession were. Index like Nasdaq has really made a comeback in a rising interest rate environment. So this rally, I think, is global in nature. It's very powerful in terms of what equities have been, asset class have done. This year, markets have managed to ride the concern which was centered around inflation, global Fed rate hike, geopolitical tensions, fiasco in Adani group of stocks, and FI selling. You put all that on one side and yet look at the underlying current of the market. At the beginning of the year, the most bullish brokerage outlook was Nifty will see a swing of 2%. Nobody predicted that we will make a new all-time high or even go closer to 20,000. And there you go. You got a new all-time high. The whole narrative of the market has changed. I would still say that for the first time I can say, you know, Aisha, they've actually put a statue or an installation, a statue outside Dalal Street where you have a bull and a common man. And I think for me that really symbolizes this new bull market in India. The bull market in India this time really belongs to the common man. And
yeah, because it's not in the hands of few as was the case, you know, maybe 2 decades back or something. And especially this year, I think, you know, it really belongs to the domestic investors out there because FIs have completely, you know, given this entire market a skip. We've seen the kind of selling that has transpired. Okay, I mean, we can ignore what they've done in the last 1 odd week or so, and they've been slowly sort of coming back to the market. But it's been all thanks to the DII participation.
You know, I said DI participation is one, but look at the PMS, look at the demat account, look at, you know, what essentially is happening in terms of this new narrative. You must realize that the India of yesterday versus India of today and the India of tomorrow, they are saving and investing differently. That is where it is. You know, there was a time when you would come into stock markets just like, you know, you come, you make some quick buck and you go out. Now, financial assets are becoming part of your portfolio.
Yeah.
You know, I say this very fondly that SIP is the new EM. Yeah. And SIP was always considered to be a very complicated instrument. Now it's like ghar ghar ki kahani. Yeah. And that is what has changed in terms of the, you know, market setup.